Here on India Today, we've been getting you every single update on the Pune hit and run. The minor teenager who was arrested briefly and then let off. The latest update we can tell you, as brazen as this is that the family is now pushing for the teen's passport to be returned, and also the Porsche that was involved in the accident that killed two youngsters. The same Porsche that killed two young engineers in Pune while their allegedly drunk teenage son was driving it. The parents now are actually putting forth a request for it to be returned to them. The 17-year-old accused in this hit and run has approached the Juvenile Justice Board seeking a return of his passport as well as his car. They were both seized as part of the ongoing investigation. The Juvenile Board is expected to issue a verdict on September 26th. Dipesh Tripathi is joining us with more details on this. This is as brazen as it gets, Dipesh. Again, another indication that there's no remorse over the crime whatsoever. First, you've got the juvenile walking out scot-free, no punishment, and now also seeking the Porsche to be returned to him, the passport to be returned to him. You know, it's clear what exactly this family's priorities are.
Akshata, definitely this clearly indicates that there is hardly any remorse to the family or to that the accused, the juvenile accused. We spoke to the juvenile accused Prashant Patil, who's submitted his submission before the court for the return of property, which includes Porsche car and his passport, which too was confiscated by the police during the course of investigation. The most important thing, the court has given a date of yesterday on this hearing, but it is postponed to 26th of September, and before that court has asked the police to file a submission that whether this property should be returned to the accused or not. The most important thing, we spoke to some of the police officials, our sources said that the most importantly how the accused tried to manipulate and how his accused family tries to manipulate the case, the investigation in the very beginning. This whole looking to this, it's been a very difficult for a cops to submit the positive reports in favor of him also. There are less possibility of return of property to him while the investigation is still going on, but we can't say, we have to wait till court's verdict. But the most important thing that how the whole family included in this and they try to manipulate the case, yes, hello.
All right, Dipesh, thanks for those details. Dipesh telling us really how the family now is pushing for one perk after another. Clearly, there's no sort of sense of justice and there's no sense of fear of the law among the accused in this case. Thanks, Dipesh, for those details.